I'm Beena S. Naik, President of Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress. BJP government administration has completely collapsed with absolutely zero coordination between its various departments. Now, why do I say this? The orders issued by Director of Education on 4th June 2021 have instructed the administrative staff and non-teaching staff of all the aided and unaided schools, institutions under its ambit to start functioning from 7th June 2021. Similar order issued by the Director of Higher Education on 4th June 2021 has instructed college and university staff and teaching staff from Goa University to attend their duties from 7th June 2021, while teaching staff from the colleges to attend their respective institution from 8th June. Now, surprisingly, the orders issued by South and North Goa district collectors on 6 June 2021 have clearly mentioned that the schools, colleges, educational and coaching institutions except for examination of college students shall remain closed. Now, I want to ask the question to the Education Minister, who also happens to be the Chief Minister, whose order the educational institutions should follow. These conflicting and contradictory orders are reflection of failure of BJP government. We demand that the Chief Minister must immediately clarify on the above two orders and issue fresh clarification in order to avoid confusion in the minds of the people. Thank you.